Attention, residents of This is an emergency broadcast from WSTK 13. We urge you to remain calm and listen careful to the following instructions. Reports of unusual static transmissions have been flooding in from various neighborhoods. If you are receiving this message, it is crucial that you close all doors and windows immediately. Lock them securely. Do not let anyone inside, even if they appear familiar. The static may distort the particulars.
The manifestation of my being in the future. You will be asleep in bed. I will be there and watch over you. When you wake, I will not be able to move any part of you. When the doctors eventually find you, they will not see me, but you will, and I'll see you too. Forever, I'll see you.
Hey.